Let's learn how to divide the number 412 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. We know that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get 0. Now 0 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this 1 here. Now see that this is the number 1. So we will remove the left-handed 0 and it is the number 1. Now see that although this number 1 is less than 4, but as we have brought down this number 1 here, so we will divide it. We know that 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 1. In the next step, we will bring down these 2 here. And we know that 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 412 divided by 4 is equal to 103. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.